found a nice little sweet spot by some nice old looking trees. As I went into the blue lake just now, the water fell through my boot, went through in there, so I've had to take my left sock off and I've got a wet leg. So quiet. The wind has stopped. The wind hasn't reached. It's not reaching here. You can hear the birds. So quiet. Here in these woods. Smelling moss. Just a nice reminder that we humans we folk are just part of nature. We are one. We're not anything better. We're not better than it. We're not worse than it. We are just part of it. I like the moss on these trees, look at that. And the sun just touching the top. Dike just over there. We are one. You and I. And these trees, the water, everything around us, we are one.